this video, I will show you how you can connect Spocket to Shopify. So first you will need to have both a Shopify and a Spocket account. Now for Spocket, if you don't have one yet, you can claim a 14-day trial through the link down in the description. And with Shopify, you can get a 3-day free trial and 3 months for $1 per month, also through the link down in the description. So after creating both accounts, go and open up Shopify and click Settings in the bottom left. And then here under My Store, you will see your store URL. Simply go and copy the link address for that. Now go to Spocket, and then in the left menu, go to Your Store. And then here, add your Shopify store URL. So all you really need to copy, by the way, is the part before the .myshopify.com. So you can see right here, if I just copy this link and paste it in here, it will only enter the first part, which is how it's supposed to be. So from there, click Connect. Then it will redirect you to Shopify and more specifically the Spocket app. From there, click on Install. And now you can see that I have now connected my Shopify store. So now in the top left, you can see it says My Store. And now, for example, I can go and import a product. If I just add this to my import list, I can then go to my import list. And then from there, click on Push to Store. And now you can see success, and it has been successfully pushed to my store. So now if I go back to my Shopify store, go to my products right here, you can now see that it has been listed on my Shopify store, along with all the details, so the description, variants, pricing, etc. So that is how to connect Shopify to Spocket. Now again, if you would like to get started with Spocket or Shopify, I'll leave links to both of them down in the description, where you can get the trials, and then with Shopify 3 months for only $1 per month. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.